Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can poke on Facebook, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, first of all access your Facebook app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, make sure you're signed in with the correct account from which you would like to do so. Afterwards, simply go ahead, tap on the search icon on top and go ahead, type in pokes or pokes on Facebook. You will find this particular search result on top. All you have to do is tap on it, and right over here you can simply choose a friend whom you would like to poke. You can also choose to go ahead, search it up. So let's say we have this friend of ours that we would like to do so. For that, we can tap on this poke option, and now you can see it will turn to poked. We can now go back and do the same for all of our friends, and they will simply receive a notification right over here. If we have poked them over, they will simply receive a notification regarding that, and you're good to go. You can simply again come over here, search pokes on Facebook, go ahead, tap on it, search that particular friend, and you can do so as many times as you want. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.